Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix memory leaks in Windows 11. So firstly click on Start, type here REGEDIT, right click on Registry Editor, run as administrator. Now here guys you have to expand HK local machine, then system. Now here expand control set 1. Now expand services. Now here find out NDU folder. Double click on it. Here you will see entry start, right click on it, modify, make validata for, then click on OK. Now close it. Now click on start, type services. Now in this list you have to find out sysmain. Double click on it. Static type select disabled. Apply, then click on OK. Now close it and restart. So this way guys you can fix and resolve memory leaks in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.